Hey y'all, Shay here. Thank you for stopping by my channel, Shayluvhair. Today we're going to be reviewing Urban Beauty's Kinky Brazilian hair. Now, if you haven't seen the installation video, I will put that in the suggested videos up top, so check that out and then come back and let's talk about this hair. But if you've already watched that and now you want to know, all right sis, what happened, then just keep watching. Okay, so I've had this hair in for almost 4 weeks. Today is Thursday, and this coming Saturday, it'll be 4 weeks. So that's how long I've had the hair in. We're gonna go over like the texture, did it change? We're gonna go through the maintenance, the nighttime, daytime routines. Did it matte? Did it shed? Just everything about this hair, okay? So the first thing I want to start out with is, if you watch the installation video, then you know that I don't like silky hair. When I installed this hair, initially, it was really, really silky, and I did not like it. Like, it took me a while to, like, I don't know, to, like, feel it, you know? Like, I don't know, it wasn't for me. The curl pattern was cute, but I didn't like that it was so shiny and that it was kind of stringy, silky. You feel what I'm saying? But I have to say, it has changed and I have started to enjoy the hair, which is sad because I'm about to take it out because, you know, I got to move on to the next one. But overall, like, shedding, initially, like the first few days, it did shed, but that stopped. It took about a week for that to stop, so it did eventually stop shedding. And the texture now is not silky. So let me explain that, okay? See, what had happened was I had an allergic reaction like I always do. It was some scented stuff at work, in the bathroom, and yeah, anyway, so it took me left. My whole face swole up again, and I was out again. And for those of you who know me personally, you know I got a thing called like sick hair, where like whatever hair I got in, if I start feeling bad, I want it out. I want it out. I want it out right then. And under normal circumstances, when the moment I start feeling a little better, I would have cut this out of my hair so quick, like, but I could not do that this time. Reason being is because I'm working with a fabulous company with this hair called TGI Hair. TGIHair.com. They're a beauty supply, well, online beauty supply store. So they sell a lot of, you know, just an array of different hair products that you need. So if you live in an area where you don't have access to a beauty supply store like the one we need, you know, then they are a good way to go. Anyway, since I was working with this company and I promised them that I was going to give it a full review, and when I talked to them like a few days after I installed it, you know, to let them know, like, you know, when the video is going to be kind of coming out and all of that, you know, she asked me, she was like, do you like the hair? And I was like, And she was like, well, most people say, you know, the older it gets, the better it looks. And I'm like, I'm hoping so. So with all of that, you know, being said, because I was sick, I wanted to take it out. But I couldn't take it out because I needed to keep it in to try to give it time to do a full review on the hair, to make sure to also give you guys the full rundown on the hair, because I didn't have it in but maybe like a week and a half when things went south with my allergies. So like, I wouldn't have been able to tell y'all anything, and it wouldn't have been a full review. I wouldn't even felt right to come back and say, hey, this is what happened, you know, because I had not had the hair in long enough. So I had to keep the hair in. So what I did instead of taking it out was I went and I washed it. And I did not expect for it to change, and it changed for the better. Like, I truly started to enjoy the hair because when it dried, it was a kinkier, like the texture matched the curl pattern. You feel me? Like, so I really enjoyed it like a lot more. I'm gonna see if I can get close, see if you can see. If I can find the initial video clip, I'll try to put a side by side. If it ain't side by side right now, sis, then I couldn't find it, okay? But you see, it's like, it's kinkier. And I'm really starting to enjoy the hair because the shiny and the stringiness is really gone. And instead of it, you know, matting and, you know, just turning crazy like you expect silky hair to do, it didn't do that. Now, of course, you have to take your precautions. You can't just get in the water, wash it, and get in the bed and just, you know, do whatever. Of course, I took precaution, and when I washed it, I braided it, you know, in a couple plaits, and then I took the plaits and I put it up, you know, on the top of my head, and, you know, just put a band around it and let it dry, which I had the opportunity to do that because I was at home sick, so it didn't really matter. It's not like I was having to go to work or anything, so I just walked around and looked like the weekend for, you know, a week, and just let it naturally dry, and it was all good. The hair, as far as like matting, the only thing is just like the normal matting that you would get in the nape. You're not going to run across a crochet hair that doesn't mat in some form or fashion. And it's pretty much average. It's not excessive like the that straight crochet that I just did. Installation and review is not like that. It's not like where it's like bulked up and hitting you in the back of the neck. It's not like that. But it kind of reminds me of Freetress, is it Bohemian? Not the Water Wave, which I'm going to be doing Water Wave next. But I think it's the Bohemian curl, something like that. It kind of reminds me of that. And you know, that Freetress is kind of silky as well. This one was initially a bit more silkier, but like I said, it did transition and it was a little better. Now, my nighttime routine, all I did was put it up in a bun, just so, like a pineapple or whatever. Like, I put it up in a pineapple or bun, whatever, and just slip it in. No, I did not use a scarf. Y'all know I don't like no scarf. No, I did not use shower caps. Y'all know I don't like no shower caps. Yeah, so I didn't do any of the things that you're supposed to do to maintain the hair because y'all know I like to live life on the edge a little dangerously when it comes to my hair because I really be looking for an excuse to take it out anyway. As far as the tangling goes, just, you know, do the use, you know, take it and pull it apart. Let me see if I got one to show you. Let's see. Like that. Like, I kind of went through it a little bit already because, you know, I was coming to talk to you girls. So, yeah, it isn't really bad at all. And the texture really changed. And I think it has really began to become beautiful. So, yeah, like, it actually turned out okay. It did grow on me. I know y'all seen my Instagram post where I was like, took a picture and I was like, do I like this hair or not? What y'all think by the look on my face? And everybody was like, it's cute, but it don't look like you like it. And I did not at that moment. But I have to go back and say it did actually grow on me. And this hair is actually cute. So, with all that being said, I give it out of between 1 to 10, 10 being the best. I give it a 7. A 7 because I wish that it did this initially. I don't have time to wait on the sleigh. You feel me? Like, I need for it to arrive right then at installation, you know, so that I can slay all day. So, you know, so yeah, it's a 7. I like it now. I didn't like it then, but it's all good. Oh, I was going to test it also because this hair says that it's curling iron safe. I've never seen that on crochet hair before. Let's see. So you know what I'm finna do. My old faithful curling iron. Y'all don't come for me for my curling iron. I know it's old. I haven't really put heat on my hair in, I don't know, years. So I had to go dig this out of my closet it's probably time for me to buy another flat iron, but I don't see why, because I don't use it. So maybe I should wet it. You think I should wet it first? Usually when you're curling synthetic hair, it needs to be wet. I'm just throwing my spray bottles. Well, let's just go for it. Okay. So let's see. So right now it's on 330. And then we'll move it up. Let's see. It's definitely not. Well, this part is combable though. Let's see. I don't know. This part got straighter. Maybe I was taking my time. What is happening? Okay, so I guess it does get like super straight and it didn't melt. So, I mean, I guess it is. I don't know why you would want to do that, but I don't know. I guess you could. Y'all, oh my God. This is the first time for everything, huh? It straight up straightened it. You see this? That's crazy, right? That's crazy. Wow. I mean, I don't have enough patience to like do the whole head, but you know, for people who do. See? Cool. So let's see if we can bump it then. I'm truly interested now. Huh. Look at that. Whoa. You know what? Y'all just got moved up to an 8. Look at that. And it's soft. Like, and it's not even like stringy silky. It's like Brazilian silky. That's amazing. Crochet hair. Who would have guessed? Well, all right. So y'all see, and I only put it on 330, so it doesn't need to be like any high heat. I didn't wet it or anything. There's no product on it, nothing. So you know, if y'all got the patience to go through and do it, probably if you do it initially, you know, then it won't like be as tangled as mine was. But to do this to 4-week-old crochet hair, the fact that it even curled and it didn't melt off on the curling iron, like who does this? Okay, Urban Beauty. Huh. Cool. Who knew? All right, so there's our experiment, and let me know what you guys think. Also, this hair, I will be featuring it in a giveaway. I know I'm supposed to do my 1K giveaway, and I have surpassed 1K. Thank you very much. Thank you so very much. But what happens is I have a few companies that are sending me hair because they want me to review it, and each time they reach out, and I'm gonna let everybody else know, you know, that if you want to reach out, cool, I'll review your hair, as long as you understand it's gonna be an honest opinion. But also, I request that they send me 2 installations, one for me and one for you guys, so I can do a giveaway. So I'm going to be doing a huge giveaway, and this is one of the hairs that will be featured in the giveaway, so be on the lookout for that, okay? And then there's going to be a few other brands that is going to be in that video as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I want to thank you for getting me over 1K now. Hit me in the comments to let me know, what do you think of this hair? Like this right here, did it blow your mind? Or like, am I just late? Because I ain't bought no crochet hair that said that. Yeah, let me guys, you know, let me know what y'all think. If you've watched the initial video of the installation, definitely let me know, like, did y'all like it initially? You know, when I first put it in, do you like it better now? Or did you like it better, you know, when I first put it in and you're not so sure about it now? Let me know. I really want to know. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you're new, welcome to the family. And a big shout out to Leah Levine for collabing with me on some other videos. Go check out all my other videos, but there's a couple that she did collab with me on, and I just really appreciate her so much. She is super cool. So if you're watching me, you probably already know it, but if you don't know her, go check her out because she is super awesome. And I think that's it. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Peace and blessings.